Hello, I want to talk about where to install WordPress because there is lots of options if you want to install or just to test WordPress. There are some free options, there are some paid options, and there are some very expensive options. So which one is for you? I mean, let's talk about that a little bit because if you are like new with WordPress, like you are just starting, it might be a little bit confusing because when you write WordPress in the Google, oh, WordPress.com comes up or WordPress.org comes up, right? What's that? Like, why there is .org or .com? Let's talk about these differences and how you use them. First of all, WordPress.com and .co difference. If you want to install WordPress and just for free, you don't want to spend anything, and you are just going to, let's say, you are going to write a blog news like daily blog or something, anything, you can do that like for free. WordPress.com gives us like free and forever, like free forever. You can get your subdomain, something like your name dot WordPress.com. Yeah, you can get your free domain like that. This is subdomain, this is the WordPresscom. Just for free. If you are just learning WordPress, if you want to learn WordPress, or maybe you don't want to learn WordPress, but you need a website and you heard about like WordPress, oh, it is easy to use, I can use that. Okay, just get this. WordPress for free, use that. But if you want to install your own WordPress, that changes things. So if you want to do that, WordPress.com starts a little bit expensive. Like if you want to install your own themes, like custom themes, it starts like $10, $20 or something. It shows my currency right now, but it is much more expensive. Like if you are not going to make money on your site, you don't need to pay that much. That's what I can say. Like you don't need to pay that much. And that's where WordPress.org comes in. You can download your own WordPress copy, you can install it yourself, or you can get a hosting, like let's say Hostinger or like SiteGround. And hosting a little bit cheap. I mean, not that cheap, but it is cheap compared to other hostings. And it gives like WordPress tools, easy to set up, just next, and you can buy your domain, same place. SiteGround a little bit expensive, but I would recommend it because it has a little bit extra features and more optimization options. Like if you are going to make a business website, like you are going to open your company site or something, or you are going to open a e-commerce site, you are going to make money, definitely buy quality hosting. Okay, so Hostinger and SiteGround comes in there. Or even like if you have like budget, you can even go with WordPress.com with higher options, of course. Like after business, commerce, or enterprise, you can install your own theme or plugins. These plans like almost useless. You can't do much things. Like you can change themes and stuff like, but no, it limits you. After business, it comes handy. Okay. So these options like free options, paid options, and if you're just going to learn WordPress, you don't need to spend anything. You can use instawp, it gives us like couple days WordPress, and it is free for a couple days, like it installs it and it gives us, oh, 6 days, 7 days, they increased it. Nice. By the way, none of them is sponsoring me, guys. None of them. Like I don't have any affiliate link or anything. Just search Google, open yourself. And I like InstaVP. I usually use it for like testing themes, testing plugins. It is so nice. Like it works really fast too. I love it. And there is another option. This is relatively new and still under development. You can use the playground. The playground is awesome. WordPress playground, this is working on the browser, literally. Like it doesn't install anywhere. It's on my RAM right now. It's on my memory inside the browser. Let's check how much RAM it is using. See, it's a little bit high, 900 megabytes, because it is literally hosting the WordPress itself right now. So you can use this option. Let's make it a little bit bigger actually. And you can install plugins, test stuff. As you can see, it is using SQLite database because WordPress usually doesn't use this version like this database. It uses MySQL or MariaDB or something. And SQLite is different type of database. But the Playground project works SQLite. That's why it is using this option. And you can test stuff. It is free and you can do anything. Check the WordPress, how it is working. The speed depends on your PC computer. If you have like very slow computer, this might be a little bit slow. I would definitely recommend for you to use instawp. But if you have like decent PC or Mac or anything, you can use the Playground option. And it is privacy protected. Nobody, like there is no data or analytics on this page. You can do anything, you can test anything, okay? Don't worry, you can't break, like, don't worry about it. Okay, I just wanted to talk about these options like WordPress.com and .org differences and the hostings and like cheap hosting, expensive hostings, and there's like free options or semi-free. This can be like paid too, but you can use it for free for 7 days. That's fine. If you are just going to learn the WordPress, that's cool. And the Playground option, WordPress.org itself. I hope this video comes useful. See you guys on the other video. Bye.